In this video, we will learn how to create round text and star shape text in Photoshop. So first, click on the shape tool icon from the toolbar. Click on the ellipse tool. Set the fill color to none. Make the stroke color black. Hold the Shift key on the keyboard and draw the circle. Click on Horizontal Type tool from the toolbar. Now click on the circle. Now enter your text. Now hide the ellipse shape from the layer panel. You can see the text is rounded. Now we will learn how to create star shape text in Photoshop. Again, click on the shape tool icon from the toolbar. Click on the custom shape tool. From here, click on the shape icon. Click on Legacy Shape and More. Click on All Legacy Default Shape. Click on Shape. Select the star shape. Hold the Shift key from the keyboard and draw a star shape. Also set fill color to none and make the stroke color black. Then click on Horizontal Type tool from the toolbar. Now click on the star shape. Now enter your text. You can see that the text has become a star shape. You can see that the text has become a star shape. Thanks for watching the video.